Hello everyone, I hope I find you well. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I promised that I'll come back and give you an update on the progress of these maize plants, which I planted using the seeds which were frozen so that I could preserve them from being attacked by pests. Okay, so now I'm back with the video and I want to show you the size of the maize plants. They are about now 7 weeks since I planted them in this field. So let me show you so that you can see how they are faring, these maize plants which were planted from the frozen seeds. Okay, as you can see, they've got large dark green leaves, showing that they have got enough nitrogen. And one more thing, I am not using inorganic fertilizers on these plants, but they are being sustained by the nutrients which are already in the soil. So they are thriving on the nutrients which are already in the soil. So I think you can see that the plants are doing quite well. And fortunately, we are receiving abundant rains. I'm not using irrigation here, it's just rain from above, which is watering these plants. And fortunately, it seems this year it's a good season, and we are going to experience a better harvest. Okay, so you can see that if you preserve seeds from being attacked by pests and don't buy from suppliers, if you plant those seeds, they do quite well. As you can see, the seeds which I planted, the maize seeds which I planted here, they are doing quite well. As you can see that these maize plants are growing well. Okay, they've got thick stems showing that the nutrients are enough in this soil, and also that it is possible to use seeds from the previous harvest if you preserve them. You need just to preserve them. It's possible to plant them in the next season, and they do quite well. As you can see, I used the seeds from the previous season. I preserved them by putting them in the freezer, in the refrigerator, in the deep freezer, and they were preserved till I planted them. And as you can see, they responded quite well in the soil. I experienced almost 100% germination. So you can try it at your home. Okay, so I'll keep showing you the progress of these maize plants in the coming weeks. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Okay.